Yes, it's that time again, boys and girls. Thanks for tuning in, clicking on the video, and get another wheelie with me session in as the old man tries to learn how to wheelie. Just gonna head out to this wheelie spot and I'll catch you there. And here we are. So I follow this guy, Elyk G, and he's got a great series called The Explanation. He's really good at explaining stuff. And he's like, what he's doing is going through and explaining, basically explaining how to wheelie, but covering a lot of stuff that other people don't. I noticed, he mentioned it before too, but it seems like a lot of the stuff out there gets to the point where, you know, rev it up, dump the clutch, pop it up, keep doing that until you get the balance point. And cover your foot brake, or use it, or whatever. They say a lot of different things. But there's like a gap there, I think, from the point that you learn how to get it up, and then getting the balance point. Like, there's not a lot of information out there, as far as I'm concerned. Maybe just because I'm to that point, I'm kind of struggling, but he mentioned some stuff. I'm on like episode 3, he's got number 4, maybe even 5 out by now. But on 3 he's talking about visual cues, so you know how high you are. This is something that Joseph Saucedo, I forget how to say it, but he comments on a lot of my videos. He mentioned it too, is like knowing how high you are, and of course you aren't as high as you think you are, but going into like the visual cues of looking at hey, your handlebars are right up in front of your face. You know, until then you're fine. All you gotta do is hit the brake and you're not even close to balance point. But once you get your dash, your handlebars, depending on where they're at, or you're looking to the side of your bike to see forward, that's when you're up there where you need to be. And one of the things he said in that video before was to kind of get a feel for your foot brake. That's why I'm going around in circles here. Go around in circles and hit your foot brake, just to kind of reset your mind, get used to using the foot brake, knowing exactly where it's at. And I'm just kind of setting my muscle memory by going around in circles, trying to remember where it's at. But yeah, so now what I'm going to do is try and kind of go through all the visual cues he was talking about, rev it up, dump it, and then bring that, keep my head back, try and keep my arms straight so that I'm back far enough and I can like be looking at the handlebars. So I'll see how this goes. I expect to loop a few times because I'm gonna screw up. Everybody does, some more than others, but I am gonna learn how to wheelie, so that's just good part of the process. Don't ever give up. If you want to do something, it's just a matter of mind. It's all in your head, folks. Like, seriously, everything. You can do whatever the fuck you want. You just gotta want it and not stop. People give up way too fucking easy, especially these times. Everybody thinks everybody thinks shit's easy because that's all they see on the socials, or is the highlight reel of everybody's life. Nobody shows the shit, what you had to do to get there. Never giving up, getting kicked in the teeth 10,000 times before you finally get it. I gotta get it up higher. Oh, the other thing, whack-a-mole, which I think is a good one. That's another technique he was talking about. Bring it up and then bring it down with your foot brake. That's hard to do. God damn. Keep closing the throttle and not bringing it down too. That's another thing I got to work on. Okay. This feels really weird for some reason. Foot brake, 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 foot brake. It's hardly even coming up. I'm hardly even bringing this thing up. Gotta get used to it being up high. I'm cutting the throttle. I keep cutting the throttle. I gotta learn to foot brake it down. Stop cutting this throttle. Let's foot brake. I need to just get this fucker up. Not even that high. You're not even that high. Oh, you're not even that high. That was good. Foot braked it down. Stay out of the mud. Trying to get the foot brake and staying on the throttle. Staying on the throttle. Staying on the throttle. Foot brake it down. Oh, that was good. Keep trying to use my throttle to control it. I need to use the foot brake. Higher. Higher, higher, higher. Jesus. Foot brake that down. Oh, it's getting there. Felt that. That's where I need to be. Back there. That's the handlebars right in your face. Not even close. Not even close. Not even close. Why I go to the right real hard on that one. Bring it up. Stay back. But handlebars in the face. Not even close. Handlebars in the face. Get them up there, son. Higher. Keep going sideways sometimes. Other times not so much. Why am I fucking with the throttle? Keep it open. Keep it open. Oh shit. Fucking mud. Try and get that off in the grass here. Use the foot brake. Keep the throttle open. Use the foot brake. That's a loop. That's a loop. Fuck. Mud on my... Oh, that's shitty mud. Oh, that's gross. Smells like poop. Phone all dirty. Alright. Got the mud cleaned off. That was some stinky shit. Solid stunts. Sub cage did its job. Don't have any screwed up rear taillight or anything. Rear set savers. Rear savers are still intact. Got these brush guards on there instead of some barns or something, but it's a nice thing about GROMs. You can drop them. They're fine. Keep on the gas. It's only coming off a little bit once it's up there. Keep it on the gas, just back it off a hair. Actually, just work on keep it on the gas. Don't even worry about the finesse. God damn it. Foot brake, dummy. It's getting close. I need to stay in it. Stay in it and carry the shit out. And then just keep bringing it up higher till you hit balance point. Keep letting that fucking... Visual cues. Get back. I'm regressing. I'm just going back to what I was kind of before. I gotta remember this shit. Visual cues. Get those handlebars up in front of my face. Like I was. Not like that. Not too bad. I gotta stay in the fucking gas. Oh, ran out of room, damn it. Fuck. I gotta take this to the streets is what I need to do. Foot braked up there. Get higher. Handlebars in your fucking face, Aaron. Come on. It's coming. Letting off the throttle. Shit. Get some air through this bike, let it cool down a little bit. Head out to the streets. All my neighbors are super chill. I don't even know why I worry about it, but try and be respectful, right? Don't ruin a good thing. Don't overstep your bounds. I'll just do one rip towards the house here. See if we can get anywhere on any of them. Sit back. This isn't it. Why is this? This is no different than the fucking driveway. I don't know why. How about we get it back in first? Get that up. So much easier out here. Not even close to being high enough. Ah, shit. I ripped my shorts. Ripped my shorts. Damn it. Alright. 9 days until murder of the mitten. 7, 8. Yeah, 9 days. Awesome. Well, it should be good for plenty of wheelies by then. Only 9 days, right? God damn it. Okay. My hands are jamming up. Like I said, 9 days, murder the mitten. August 28th, Grand Rapids becomes GROM Rapids. Hope to see you there. Friday streets, Saturdays the big event. 500 grams maybe. Who knows? Gets bigger every year. This is my first year and kicking myself for missing last year. I think they had like 300 or 400 then. But anyhow, check them on Facebook. I'll have links below for everything. And for Elyk G, for his series, The Explanation. Make sure you guys watch that. Give him a follow, subscribe, so you can get up to date on all that stuff he puts out. I went back and rewatched the first and the second one, I think. And everything made more sense now since I've been dicking around with this. I watched this stuff before I even tried. But for real, give my man a follow. Go to Murder the Mitten. I don't give a fuck where you live. It's not that far away. Come on, we're Americans. We can get it done. Hope to see you there. I'll be on this piece of shit if it's still running. I'll see you on the next group ride. Thanks. Bye.